Hey sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ignore the name of my ginger cat. So today, oh, you're hungry, okay. So today we are playing Adopt Me, and if you're guessing what am I going to do in Adopt Me, I am going to show you all of my houses in Adopt Me. So I have 3 houses or 1 shop. So yeah. So first house is gonna be the starter house. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see much better. So let's go inside. First, ginger cat. Okay, so some people just show the tour zooming in and yeah. Okay, so when we go inside, there will be a living room. This is the bedroom. I actually just built this yesterday, so yeah. And look at this. This is so cute. And some stuff. I'm not really done with the kitchen, but I think I'm gonna go with like this because it looks cute. Oh gosh, okay. Here is the dressing room and here is the bathroom. Do you guys like it? Let's just I am having some privacy plus. Taking a bath. Okay, so that's it. This house is pretty small, so yeah, let's go to the next house. Next house. So this is the next house. You guys might like know this usually, like so. Hello. This is sunflower sign and the cashier thing. Oh my gosh. This is where I do stuff, record. The green screen. Pet food, my library, the kitchen. So guys, I delete this kitchen. So ignore it. Because I don't think I'll really use this house. I think I'm going to use my shop and my small house most. Oh gosh. The bathroom. The bedroom. Netflix. We can watch Netflix. It's going to be cooler if it's like at nighttime. So the baby room. So I have a secret place. I don't know if I already showed you, but this is the clubhouse, like the YouTuber clubhouse, I guess, like the friend YouTuber clubhouse, whatever. So this I also color the walls. Inside is cuter, but like outside is So this is like a guest one, because I don't know who to give, and there's an extra space here, so yeah. This is Nelson's, Kayla's brother, aka Kayla's brother. This is Ike. Oh gosh. This is Ike's, and guess what she wrote? The person on this bed is rich. What the heck, Ike? Why do you say that? Like, Ike, if you're watching this, why did you say that? Wait. I'm rich! Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so, oh gosh. This is Kayla's. She liked playing stuff and she liked baby blue, so I did baby blue. And this is mine, since I'm like the one who built this, so. And I'm not really done too. Like, everyone is done except me. So I don't really care because I don't really use this house. This is the kitchen. If you're a baby, you can go through this, but I'm not a baby. This is the living room. You can have some tea. Oh, I'm gonna drink some tea because I'm very sleepy. I heard if you drink tea, you like won't won't sleep, so I'm drinking tea. Oh wait, I have to feed this to my Aki the fat. If you're watching this, yeah, you're fat. Okay, let's go to my shop. So guys, this is my shop. It's the boba tea shop, and also it is inspired by Leah Ash, cause you know Leah Ash loves boba tea. I love boba tea. Aki love boba tea. Almost everyone like boba tea. So I did a boba tea shop, and it's like so cute. I love it. Also inspired by Leah Ash. Already say that, but let's just go in. So, this is where people do it. By the way, if you see that extra chair, it's for Nelson or something like that, like 3 people. So, because Ike said, is this only for couples? Boba tea shop? But no, it's like pets and people and stuff, but whatever. So, this under here are baby's chairs because baby could be here. What is Ike doing here? Oh my gosh. It's getting a glitch. What are you doing here? So, on the menu, there is a cherry boba tea, green boba tea, dark boba tea, and donuts and cake. But I think I'm gonna take out cake because actually I still have some cake, so yeah. Let's give you the tea. So like this is actually tea, and the cherry boba tea is actually the jasmine tea. But then like I want to make it creative, and once when I opened the shop, there was like, this is tea, and I said it looks like tea, but it's not tea. Yeah, and there's some donuts. Yeah, let's see. The cash register and stuff. I like it. Like, it's cute. Up here, there is nothing. It's still coming soon. And also, I'm gonna kind of like show you guys a secret. So, I'm gonna tell you. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna tell you what is this gonna be. So, this spot is gonna be like the pet chilling area. Like, they bring pets. Like, some people bring pets. This is the bathroom for pets and humans too. Poo-poo. Okay. And I'm not really done, and I'm still kind of broke, so I am still working on it. So whoever watched this will only know what is upstairs going to be. It says coming soon, so I'm still working on it. So yeah. Okay. So let's change back to my normal house. And also, guys, comment down below if you want to see like me opening my boba tea shop. I already opened it, but like I want to know if you guys want to see like recording and opening it. So, oh, a fan just joined me. Okay, so how about let's teleport to her. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's still loading the game. I wanna like go to her and surprise her, cause like I don't think she's so we met at like cherry berry apple pie. If you're watching this, if you're watching this, you're the best. You're the best, and you're the best. That's what I can think of. But like, you're kind, sweet, and once you faked being my boyfriend, and that's very helpful. Cause yeah, I don't know why is it helpful, but it's helpful. Let's just teleport to her. Okay. Oh, Kayla's in the game. Didn't know that. Oh, she just left the game. So yeah. I was gonna join you, but I guess you left the game. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and click that notification on, and give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you want to see me opening my boba tea shop, and I already told that, but for reminding. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah. Oh gosh. Bye guys. And also comment down below what is your favorite house of mine. The boba tea shop, the huge house with the secret base, and this house, my small little house. And yeah, nah, I'm telling the truth. Bye guys.